research tells me that women are actually great negotiators. Women negotiate very strongly when it's on behalf of somebody else. So it's not that women don't have the negotiation skills, it's just that they tend to not use them on their own behalf. Women are much more likely than men to believe that if they just work hard, keep their nose down, and perform well, that behavior will be recognized and that they'll be promoted on that.
Dr. Babcock's research showed this hesitancy to negotiate holds true for all women, regardless of age, race, education, or job type. So women are settling when it comes to salaries, which begs the question, why?
You know, we have a whole set of words that we reserve for women we think are too aggressive. And I'm not sure I should say them on the air. They're not very nice words, but we don't have those words for men. We call men ambitious, and it's a good thing.
Don't believe there's a backlash against women who are seen as being too aggressive? Check this out. Dr. Babcock and researchers at Carnegie Mellon University conducted an experiment. They videotaped actors, one male, one female, negotiating a raise at work. Both actors used the exact same script.
I understand that there's a range in terms of how much managers are paid in their first placement. I think I should be paid at the top of that range.
Focus groups evaluated how the man and the woman asked for their raises.
People thought that the man was just fine. They liked him. They wanted to hire him.
I think I should be paid at the top of that range.
I think I should be paid at the top of that range. And I would also
Both
like to be
male and female participants in our study, watching these videos, both thought that the woman was too aggressive and didn't like her as a result of the negotiations.
It wasn't clear to me whether...
We aren't just saying, oh, it's just men that are the problem. It's all of us. It's how we as a society judge women that we think are too aggressive.
Congratulations on your promotion.
Through this experiment, researchers developed more effective language to help women sidestep the double standard. It's a softer approach Dr. Babcock calls a relational style.
I enjoy working hard.
For example, one of our scripts says, you know, I know it may not be customary for someone in my role to be negotiating their salary, but I hope that you see my willingness and ability to negotiate as something I'm bringing as an asset to the company. And so that strategy is showing, look, I've thought about how you're seeing this, and there's something in this for you. And people thought that was perfectly appropriate. They liked the women, and so that was one of our success stories. And when I say it was a success story, I sort of have mixed feelings about that, because on one hand, we did find scripts that were successful for women. On the other hand, this is totally not fair of our society to have to make women work so hard to do the same thing that men are not being judged very harshly for at all. If we want to really reduce the wage gap or eliminate it entirely, we have to stop doing that. We have to decide that we celebrate assertive women, that we like that we reward it, that we encourage people to do that, and stop judging them so negatively. That has to happen, or else we'll never get to where we want to be as a society with true equality.